Hello, pet lovers. This is Mike Flores, and I'm with my pet bird, our Cinnamon Green Cheek Conure, Mikey, and we'll be talking about our pets, especially our birds, in relation to COVID-19. Ayan, nasa ulo ko siya. Ayan. Okay, sabi ng World Health Organization, hindi naman daw mahahawa ang mga pets natin ng virus, no? Pero they can be carriers of the virus. So yung mga nakakawalang pusa, aso, okay, or even birds, pag nalapit sila sa isang infected, halimbawa hindi nila alam o hindi alam ng owner, pet owner sa infected sila, and then nalawayan sila, and then pumunta sa ibang tao, na-transfer through saliva, or worse, nakagat sila, so they can be infected. So ganun. Sa atin naman pet birds, as long as nandyan sila sa loob ng bahay, tulad ng aming mga pet birds or African lovebird, Mikee, as well as yung si Mikee and Mikee or cockatiels, safe sila, safe tayo. Alright? So what we can do is to keep them or the cages sanitized. So papalitan natin ang kanilang water supply, ang kanilang tubig twice a day, morning and afternoon. Lilinisin natin. Make sure na malinis, walang amoy sabon or amoy malansa or ganon. Tapos yung mga let's just cotton buds or anything na pwedeng ma-reach out yung mga sulok ng mga inuminan nila. Ganon din yung food nila. Make sure na twice a day nagpapalit tayo. Tapon natin yung excess. We can bathe our pet birds. Okay, tulad ng previous videos natin, kanina umaga at saka kahapon and previous days na naliligo yung ating mga ibon. Especially ngayong summer, mainit. So, kailangan nilang malamigan, no? Kailangan malamig yung pakiramdam nila so they can stay healthy. So in terms of food, make sure that may stock tayo ng mga bird seeds, meron tayong clean water, meron din tayong fruits and veggies. So at least twice a week, bigyan natin ng fruits, variety, okay? Except avocado and ano yung isang hindi pwedeng fruit? Avocado and tomato. Ayan. Veggies kahit ano except celery. Okay, paborito ni Mikee yung broccoli. Ayan. So, again, let's keep our surroundings clean. Okay? Sa ating mga pet birds, let's keep them clean. Their cages, make sure na kasi parang tao din yan eh. Kailangan malinis sila. Okay? And again, let's check on them from time to time and bonding, parang aray ko, parang ganito. Kaya Mikee, okay, so parang ganyan. So, bond with your pets. Okay, tulad ni Mikee, ito favorite niyang bonding. Ayan, nakahiga. Okay, lying down. Ayan, tapos massage. Say goodbye, Mikee. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, magbababay muna si Mikee. Come here, Mikee. Alright, so that's it for now. Tune in to our YouTube channel and make sure to tap that bell, and we'll see you next week, okay, for more updates about our pets, especially our pet birds. Bye!